Okay, sir.
Today we are going to discuss linear equation. So that is linear equation. What is meant by linear equation? And before that, we needed to study about the coordinate system. What is meant by coordinate system? We have a graph sheet, x-axis and y-axis. Here we can note down our points. We need to split our coordinate into the quadrant. This one is first quadrant. Then anti-clockwise direction we need to follow. So this one second quadrant. This one third quadrant. This one is fourth quadrant. For that, here we can introduce numbers 1, 2, 3. Here -1, -2, -3 and so on. Similarly here 1, 2, 3. Here -1, -2 and -3 like that. Here in that first quadrant, both xy, we are going to use the points as coordinate point. The coordinate point x value and the y value, we are going to put a point as 2, 2. This point is 2, 2. So what is meant by 2, 2? X value 2, that is x length, this length 2 and the y length also 2. So we can note down the point, this one is 2, 2. The names are, this one also given as avixa, that is x length, x coordinate length avixa, and y coordinate is just ordinal. The combined form is coordinate. So here check your values, both are positive. So here positive, positive. And come to the second quadrant. X value negative, but y value positive. So negative, positive. And similarly come to third one. X value also negative, y value is also negative. So negative, negative. Then come to fourth quadrant. X value positive and y value negative. Why we want to study this thing? Suppose any one point given 2, 2 where we want to locate, and any one point 3, -2 where we want to locate. Like that we need to study. So here x value positive, so go to your x value positive side, and y value negative, so minus no, so go to negative side. So 3, -2 should be here. This is the point. So like that we have such a system. Now we can locate this thing after studying that linear equation. So for that, what is meant by linear equation? In that linear equation already we introduced that equation involves variable. That variable is nothing but y equal to some function of x. Don't bother about this function of x, f or x like that. Example, suppose x or y equal to some 2x plus 2. Right. Already you studied the relation between you and father, that is age relation, and father and grandmother age relation. The age relation already you studied. Now let the age of son be x. Let the age of father be y. Now the relation is given. Father age is 25 years more than son age. How can we relate this one? Father age is, that is y equal to 25 years more than son value, that is son age. So x plus 25. So this is the linear equation. In this linear equation we have variable x and a variable y. Okay. So using this idea, we are going to discuss your exercise problems in your linear equations and mathematics linear equation. For that first problem, notebook cost and pen cost given. So we need to introduce the variable. So they are given the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. We are going to introduce the variable. Suppose we are going to introduce the variable here x, notebook cost of the notebook be x, then cost of the pen be y. Given Notebook cost is twice the cost of pen. That is notebook, suppose 10 rupees notebook cost. This one is 5 rupees. Now we need to form equal. What I want to multiply here? 2. So then only 2 into 5. The same thing here, instead of notebook cost we are going to introduce x equal to 2 into the cost of pen as y. That is x is equal to 2y. This is the equation. Now we can write this equation as x minus 2y equal to 0. Now this is the linear equation of this one. So that is, the question is, the cost of the notebook is twice the cost of the pen. So it means how to form the equation. After forming this equation, we can find the points and also we can draw the lines in our graph sheet. Okay, right. And come to second problem. Write the following in the form of ax plus by plus c. So second problem, write in the form of variable x plus bother about the number, whatever the number you have, you need to write. So the right side equal to 0. This is the first question answer. Similarly, second one, x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. In the way, you can compare what is our a value. Suppose write a, b, c value. You can write easily, a value 2, b value 3, c value minus 9.35 cap. Okay, write that also. You need to write, depends upon your question. Here already it's given ax plus by plus cy given. So that is, you can compare this. A equal to coefficient of x value 1. There is no number, means we need to write the coefficient, that is 1. And b value, before y you have minus also. So minus 1 divided by 5. This is the meaning. And c value equal to minus 10. Already it's given, right? Don't bother about it's 1 by 5 or 1 by 6. So number, we have number. So we are going to arrange which is a number in the form of a, b, c. That is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. Or how can we write this one as? Here we can take 5 as LCM. So I can multiply 5 here. So 5 LCM 5, no, here 1. We can multiply by 5 in numerator and denominator. So 5x minus y minus, here we need to multiply 5 in numerator and denominator. So that is minus 50 equal to 0. Or this 5 we can write on the right side as 5x minus y minus 50 equal to 0 into 50. So 0 into 5. So 5x minus y minus 50 equal to 0. This is also one of the form. But it's already in ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. So we need to write only this form. Okay, so both the answer you can write. This is also answer. The question also is also the answer. Similarly, third one is given minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So automatically minus 2x plus 3y also is in the left side. But C we need to write the left side. No, C is 6, so minus 6 equal to 0. This is the answer. And fourth one, x equal to 3y. We need to write, no, so we need to write this right hand side in the left hand side as x minus 3y equal to 0. So there is no C, that is C is 0. Suppose we need to write as x minus 3y, a value coefficient of x1 and b value minus 3 and C value we need to write means into some number, that is plus 0 equal to 0. That is C value 0, this is the meaning. So don't need to write this one, you can write this is the answer like that. And the next one, 2x equal to minus 5y. So 2x equal to minus 5y, right side we can write 2x minus 5y we can write as plus 5y equal to 0. So similarly C value here also 0. Check here x coefficient minus 2, here x coefficient plus 2. So always we think about first term always positive, like that we think. So if we need, we can multiply negative on both sides. If you are going to multiply by negative, you can write minus 2 as plus 2x, plus 3 as minus 3y, minus 6 as plus 6, equal to minus into 0, that is 0 only. Like that also you can write. But here, no need this one, because write only ax plus by plus c equal to 0. First value may be negative, positive, fraction, decimal. Don't bother about. Write in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So I am given, this is also one of the answer, like that I am given. Similarly, next one given, sixth, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So we can write 3x plus 0 into y, because there is no y. We need to introduce no 0 into y, 0 into anything, 0. So 0 into y plus 2 equal to 0. I introduced this one. This is the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is b equal to 0 here. And the 7th, y minus 2 equal to 0. There is no x value. So I want to introduce. So that is 0 into x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the answer. So 0 into x, introduce 0 into anything, 0 no. So both are equal. We need to write in the form of. So you can write. Next 5 equal to 2x. Eighth one. So right side you have variable. For that just we need to swipe. That is, we are going to write our right hand side into left hand side into right hand side. So there is no change of your sign. So that is 2x equal to 5, first step. After that there is no y. So I need to introduce y. Or 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Here I need to introduce y. So 2x plus 0 into y minus 5 equal to 0. In the place of b, I introduced 0, that's all. So this is your solution. Right. Third problem. Suppose y equal to 3x plus 5. This one have a unique solution or two solution or infinitely many solutions. This is the question. So think about this one. Here you can substitute x value as 0, 1, 2, any number. You can get different y value now. Suppose x is equal to 0 for this equation. What happen? Y equal to 3 into 0 plus 5. That is y equal to 0 plus 5. That is y equal to 5. Now the solution form is 0, 5. That is point form here discussed, x, y. So 0, y is the point. This is one of the solution. What is meant by solution? This number should satisfy this equation. That is, substitute x equal to 0, you get y equal to 5. This is the meaning. So substitute x equal to 0, you can get the value y, that is 5. Right. Suppose x is equal to 1. What happen? Y equal to 3 into 1 plus 5. So 3 into 1, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. So y equal to 8. So the solution 1, 8. Suppose x is equal to minus 1. Y equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 5. So plus into minus minus. So minus 3 plus 5. So minus 3 plus 2 plus 2. So y value 2. Now you have solution minus 1, 2. So if x equal to 0 answer, y x is equal to 1 you have answer, x equal to minus 1 you have answer. Like that you can write your own examples, many examples, all are solution. So now you can tell no, one unique solution means only one solution? No. 2 solution? No. 3 solution? No. 5 solution? No. So you can get many solution. So in this equation we get infinitely many solutions. This is the answer for this question. So think about the solution. What is meant by the solution? Why we want to discuss like this one? Suppose in your graph you are going to draw the line. What is meant by the solution? That in that line you have many points. That is x distance and y distance. All are solution. That is the line passing through the particular points. How many points in a line? 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Many points are there. So that's why we have infinitely many solutions. This type of idea we can study later. Now our idea is substitute x value, we can get many y value. Not only one answer, 2 answer, 3 answer, we can get many answers. So answer infinitely many solutions. Right? The same way next one. Write 4 solutions of. Four solution means we earlier discussed this thing. First one, 2x plus y equal to 7. First of all, we are going to write in the form of y. So that is solution. That is y equal to, we can write this one as 7 minus 2x. Answer first one, x equal to 0. This implies y equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. So that is 7 minus 2 into 0, 0 equal to 7. So one solution is 0, 7. And x is equal to plus 1. Then y equal to 7 minus, substitute x equal to 2 into 1. So 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 5. So x value 1 and y value 5. Suppose x is equal to minus 1. Implies y equal to 7 minus 2 into minus 1. That is 7 minus into minus plus, so plus 2. So 9. Now the solution is minus 1, plus 9. Similarly, x is equal to 100. That is y equal to 7 minus 2 into 100. So 7 minus 200. So minus 193. So answer 100, minus 193. This is also the solution. So you can write many answers by yourself now. Substitute x is equal to 10, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, many numbers. You can get y value. So the thing is, we need to solve this equation like that. We need to solve each equation. After that, you can get your answers. So here 4 solutions. So like that, you have problem. Yes. Second one. Pi x plus y. Pi x plus y equal to 9. Don't bother about pi. Pi is one of the number. 22 divided by 7. 3.1. Not given like that, you introduce. So that is y equal to 9 minus pi x. Now x is equal to the same way you can get 1 implies y equal to 9 minus pi into 1. So pi into 1. So 9 minus pi. So 9 minus pi is the answer. So now the point 1 comma 9 minus pi. Don't bother about 9 minus pi. Pi value is not given as 22 divided by 7 or 3.14. We are substitute like that. Suppose x is equal to, you are going to substitute 1 by pi. What happened? Pi 1 by pi is one of the number. So implies y equal to 9 minus pi into 1 by pi. You can cancel over pi. So 9 minus 1. So y equal to 8. So 1 by pi comma 8 is the answer. Okay. So don't bother about 9 minus pi, 1 by pi like that. Okay. Similarly, if x is equal to 0, then y equal to 9 minus pi into 0. So equal to 9 minus pi into 0, 0. That is 9. Now the value 0 comma 9. Suppose x is equal to minus 1, then y equal to 9 minus pi into minus 1. That is 9 minus into minus plus pi. Now the point is 1 comma 9 plus 5. Not only this 4 answer. I am already introduced, you can introduce many number. Instead of that, you can use any answer. Similarly, we are going to solve next problem. X equal to 4y. X equal to 4y. So that is 4y is fine, because y we think about the left hand side. 4y equal to x. It's in product form, we can write y equal to x divided by 4. So now if x is equal to 0, what happened? Y equal to 0 by 4. So that is 0 by anything 0. Y equal to 0. So the point is 0 comma 0. Similarly, x is equal to 1. What happens? Y equal to, x equal to 1. Then y equal to 1 by 4. Your point is 1 comma 1 by 4. Well, if y equal to, we need to get the answer. For that, x is equal to suppose 2. What happens? Y equal to 2 divided by 4. Cancel by 2. So y equal to 1 by 2. So now the point is 2 comma 1 by 2. This is also the answer. Like that you can introduce many number. We need 4 solution. These points, like a points, we need 4 number. If x is equal to 4, we can get the whole number. That is y equal to 4 divided by 4. Can cancel 1. That is y equal to 1. This 4 comma 1. This is the answer. Okay. So like that you can reduce many number. Right. Next problem. Whether the following question. Check whether the following is a solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 or not. What is meant by solution? We need to substitute the x value 0. We need to get y value 2. This is the meaning. So 2a of solution we can give. Substitute x value 0 and y value 2. We need to get 4. Right hand side number. If you have this answer, automatically you say that this is the solution. So that is x minus 2y equal to 4 given. For that, substitute x value. So that is x minus 2y equal to 0 minus 2 into 2. Substitute x value 0 and y value 2 here. So 0 minus 2 2s are 4. That is minus 4. Here we have plus 4. No, this is not equal to 4 plus 4. So that's why 0 comma 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. Like that we need to write. Okay, one way of answer. And another way, suppose we can write this equation as, that is x minus 2y equal to 4 as, keep it y in left hand side, remaining all right hand side. So that is minus 2y equal to 4 minus x. Write your x into right hand side, plus comes to as minus. Now we need to write this one as y equal to 4 minus x divided by product, no, divided by minus 2. One meaning of this one is 4 divided by minus 2 minus x divided by minus 2. Write the general form. 2 we can cancel. So minus we need to write numerator. So minus 2 minus minus we can cancel. So plus x by 2. So now y equal to minus 2 plus x by 2. If x is equal to y value, x value given, no. So if x is equal to 0, we need to get 2. Y value 2. So that is x is equal to 0 implies what happen? Y equal to minus 2 plus 0 by 2. That is equal to minus 2, 0 by anything, 0 plus 0. That is minus 2, no. So that is y equal to minus 2, but y given us 2. This is not equal to 2. So therefore 0 comma 2 is not a solution. Like that also you can write. Okay. So which one is easy? You can do by anyone. Right. Next, 2 comma 0 is given. Third, 4 comma 0 is given. The fourth, root 2 comma 4 root 2 given. Okay, first do it this one. For this, we need to write x minus 2y equal to x value 2 minus 2 into y value 0. So 2 minus 2 into 0, 0. So 2 where? 2 where? If x is equal to, that is our answer here given, 4 no, so not equal to 4. So this one also no. That is, we need to write a sentence. 2 comma 0 is not the solution of the equation. Similarly, this 4 comma 0. That is 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 value minus 1. This is not equal to 4. So automatically this is also not a solution. We need to write this sentence. Next problem. Find the value of k if x equal to 2 2x plus 3y equal to k. This is the problem. 2x plus 3y equal to k. Now think about x variable, y variable. We have two variables. Two variable answer is given. We need another variable. Substitute and find the value of k because given a solution, no. The solution satisfies your right hand side based on only this one, no. So that is 2x plus 3y equal to the right hand side already in previous problem number given, but if here constant given k. Substitute x value 2. That is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to k. That is 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3 equal to k. So 7 equal to k. That is the value is certain. This is the solution of the next problem. Thank you.